Hello once again. In this tutorial we are going to learn how can we create external resources in our course. We can upload video, books or YouTube links. So first, same, you have to log in, go to your course, turn on editing and then go to the section where you want to place the material. We want to place it here. So first let's try the external resource. Click here. And then we have the series of resources here. We have label, page, folder, URL. So we click on URL and then name it notes or resources. Then you put the URL here. Suppose you want to put this one, you copy the URL, select and copy, go to your course and paste it here. Then again you can put the restrictions, appearance, automatic, then click save. So here we have the resource. If you click on this resource, you will automatically go to that page, this page. So here they can go and see this page. I'm going back. The second thing, videos you link. Okay, there are two options. You can create your own video and upload on the platform, but the best way is you create a video and put in your YouTube channel. Or if you are not creating any video, or you are just putting the link from the video to your course, click here, click on URL again. Here there are two options. You can choose this one or you can even choose label. So if you want to display the image, I'll show you both. So first you click this URL, and in this case suppose I want to create this YouTube video, so you click on share and then copy this link and then paste it here. Same, because this is also URL. Put the restriction. Okay. Now we have both. So this resource is video. If you don't want, then you can just delete. The other way I was saying, how can you put so that they can see the video direct from your platform. So in this case you choose the label, and then you'll be able to see this. So click here and then select the video. Here we have audio, image, and here we have video. Click on video. If you have a video in your platform, then you can select direct. You can tell the source from your repository, from your system, and then add here. Because I'm using a video from the external resource, so copy that resource again, which I already copied, and then go here and paste, save. Now see the video they can view direct from here. If they want to go to YouTube, then you can put the link, otherwise from here you can display direct. This is another way to place the videos from the YouTube or from the external resource, even from the internal. You can do this. Now last one is how can you add external ebooks, or if you have some resource of ebooks, then you just select the books from here, select, now you go to the chapter title first, and then place the content here of your ebook. You can upload the link. We have some hyperlink here. You can upload from here. You can also record your voice, audio, video, or even the text, and then you can save it. So the ebook, they can read direct. That ebook can have a content in text, video, audio, whatever format. You can create your own ebook also. That's how we can. I'm going back. That's how you can create your ebook. Here, yes, ebook, video direct here on the platform, or even the hyperlink from external resource. This one can be internal, external also, as I have shown you. So let me go back again. If you want, go to label. If you want anything like hyperlink, right here, and then select, go to hyperlink, and then you can place it here. You can remove the hyperlink. You can place the image, video, audio, all these things, direct videos from external resource. You can do it here. This is very important part of your course material. So you need to create fast in your computer and then place it on the platform. That's all for this tutorial. Thank you.